Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked the video yet, please click the like button now and please do subscribe and press the bell icon for getting more amazing videos like this, and don't forget to share the video.